Hi, the principles that I researched are 8.3 to foster collaboration and community, and 8.4 to increase mastery-oriented feedback. I found a really excellent tool that assists learners with the principles that I selected, and this tool is called DebateGraph. DebateGraph can be found on debategraph.org. It's a simple search on Google, and it allows users to create an account for free and to contribute or create community debates. Users can look up featured maps if you go right here on the main menu. And from here you can look at various different maps about various different topics. For example, one can open up, let's see, we'll open up Planet Under Pressure. And from here you can see various different subtopics that you can look into. So we will look up State of the Planet, and even more subtopics open up from here. And sometimes there are even citations on this right hand where students can see where the information that people are posting is coming from. And it makes it a lot more reliable when you can see the citations and see that the research is more valid. And aside from just looking at what other people add to the maps, students can join the community and collaborate with others by adding to these maps. And in order to do this, they would have to be logged into their own account, but they could go in, press Add Idea, you create a heading, and then you can add more details under this summary option. Even more importantly for the classroom, students can create their own debate map. So you do this by opening up Map, starting a new map, creating a heading, and just for the sake of this example, I'm going to type in culturally responsive teaching. I could create a summary, which would be optional, but so I'm going to create this map. And then from here, I can add more ideas from it. But another important aspect is to go into community, and you can make this map public so that anybody in the community could see it, or you can make it so that you can edit it by invitation only. So you could add it just to the people that are in the class. So for culturally responsive teaching, I might add a few ideas. So I'd want to click on this, add an idea. So I might say, what is it? And then I'd want to add a summary. And as I save it, so from here I could add more details to what is it. But I'm just going to add another idea. So I might say to gamify it, like was what was in our article. So I have various different things now coming off of my main idea. I can also identify something as a position, information, protagonist, or just a side note, as well as the main issue. So I'll just say this is information for the sake of posting. And so then it identifies it by its color. Another awesome feature is to click on the outline to see an outline of everything that people have posted, as well as anything that has been deleted would show up here as well. And you're able to retrieve that for about 28 days. So many people in the community have also reviewed this tool and find it super helpful for students, especially those in grades that are in high school, like 9th through 12th. So these are just a few reviews that I found. It's an award-winning web platform for visualizing and sharing networks of thought. It's been used in various countries and helped people really talk about different topics in many different fields. Some more reviews that I found are by educators. They've said a lot of great things about the app. You can explore engagement on complex issues, connect thinking. So even just going through Twitter, you can see that a lot of people are using this. So this tool is really helpful in the K through 12 classroom. Firstly, students could brainstorm for a paper that they're writing using this tool. They could do so individually or with other students or just the community. Even more so, they could use this tool as a resource for finding ideas for their paper by looking at graphs that others have created. Additionally, this tool could be used for class debates. Students could contribute their own ideas to the debate and see what other classmates are saying. This especially helps students who would not be as likely to contribute to an oral debate for various reasons, and they would feel more comfortable sharing their ideas with classmates online. And even more so, it helps the teachers see what all students are thinking about an issue, rather than only hearing from those students who participate most often. So this tool obviously meets the 8.3 principle of fostering collaboration and community by encouraging students to collaborate and create or contribute to a graph and to interact with their community by adding to and looking at graphs that others have created about various topics and issues. It also meets the 8.4 principle of increasing mastery-oriented feedback because it allows the teacher to comment on what students are posting in ways that will encourage effort and practice rather than the fixed idea of intelligence or ability. Teachers can comment by clicking the comment box at the bottom. And I am going to comment just something simple. Could post it, and then that will show up on the main stream. So students could see this red box and see the teacher's comments, and from there they could even choose to reply to their teacher's comment as well. Overall, I think that DebateGraph is a really amazing and useful tool for both students and teachers.